Hey, welcome back. Today's March 18th, Thursday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how it could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets before diving into GRT, USD, the graph, token, and see what exactly has gone on in here. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market. First, I've already done a more detailed post on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action earlier today on my last post. So if you guys want to see that in more detail, do take a look at that. It is important. Let's take a look into Bitcoin dominance here. We are down about 0.1%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down over 2%. Total altcoin market cap down almost 2%. This is the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. I would still usually see total altcoin market cap not being affected by Bitcoin pullbacks as much. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. Generally speaking, it is better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside, because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards and Bitcoin price action pulls back, that could have more of an effect on the total altcoin market cap. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin here is getting resistance from this previous neckline that is more apparently seen on this 4-hour time frame, which I said there was a cup and handle pattern. However, price action did break back into the pattern. Right now, it is struggling to get back on top of this 4-hour 50 MA, the white line. The key support I'm still looking at will be the daily 21 MA, okay, which is not too far behind. It's about 53K. Now, if Bitcoin pulls back at any time or continues pulling back, it could still have an effect on the altcoins. Multiplier of that effect will usually depend on how far up or down Bitcoin dominance is trending. And as I've been saying, there are still bearish signals on Bitcoin. Take a look into my earlier post today. Let's go over to GRTUSD. See what exactly is going on in here since last time. So since last time, I did say there was a symmetrical triangle pattern that looks something more like this before the price action did break down slightly, and then now getting support by this daily 50 MA. So I think the last symmetrical triangle pattern on my last post I pointed out to be something more like this. Since a couple days back, it did break the bottom trend line. However, we're getting support from this daily 50 MA, which is the white line. If we actually adjust the bottom trend line, it still looks like a symmetrical triangle pattern to me. Let's see if the support actually holds. Now, symmetrical triangle patterns, again, it is, according to Thomas Bukowski, 60% chance of it breaking to the upside. If it actually breaks to the upside now, let's see if I actually do need to adjust this measure target. So from the top and the bottom of the pattern, I don't have to adjust it because I only adjusted for the third point of this connecting trend line here. Okay. Now, if it actually does break out by the absolute apex again, assuming that we don't have to adjust this pattern anymore, I think as far as I can read it over there, it's about $3.20, but let's take a more exact measurement. So this would be about $2.90. The bottom here would be about $1.30 just to be even. So that would be about $1.60. Adding it back on top of $1.75 just to be even here. So that's about $3.35 measured target approximately. Now, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into the key resistances and supports that's relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance here, out of this pattern at least, okay, that's above the pattern, would be about the $2 fib level area. Followed by where I can actually see quite a bit of wicks right here, indicating there was past resistance about $2.40. I skipped 2020 cents, however, that should also be pointed out as resistance as well, as there is still a few wicks here indicating past resistance. $2.20, $2.40, $2.60. Finally, one more at about $2.90, just one more there. So those are going to be the key resistances after the breakout of this pattern. Let me mention it again. $2 fib level area. Past wicks right here from past trading history, $2.20 area. $2.40 area. 60. And then one more at $2.90. Key supports here clearly would be the daily 50 MA. That's pretty much in line with this bottom trend line right now. If that does not hold, the next level of support here, key support here, will be the 3-day 21 MA. Okay. So let's see how far up this moving average actually comes up to the price action. Or if we actually do need to wait for this moving average for this price action to do something. Okay. To the upside. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks to the upside of the pattern and go towards its measured target. Mining the resistance levels I have just pointed out, as those could be points of rejection. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks its bottom trend line. This would take into consideration of breaking this daily 50 MA. Depending on the timing, it actually breaks its bottom trend line on the bearish case scenario. I would have to look to the 3-day 21 MA as the next level of support. If it comes up far enough, it could still possibly keep the symmetrical triangle pattern intact. However, from the snapshot right now, it does not look like it would keep the symmetrical triangle pattern intact if it breaks the bottom trend line right now and come all the way down to this 3-day 21 MA. And let's see if this support holds. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.